For example 4, we're going to use the given information, the vertices and the asymptotes, to help us write the equation in standard form. First thing I'd probably do here is go ahead and give a quick little sketch. 3, -5 is about there, 3, 1 is about there, and since those are the vertices, we know that the hyperbola is going to open like this. So that tells me to use the equation y minus k quantity squared over a squared minus x minus h quantity squared over b squared equals 1. Okay? So remember, h comma k is the center, and the center is going to be, since both these x's are the same, the center is going to be 3 comma something, and I essentially take -5 plus 1 and divide it by 2 to find the y, and that's going to be -2. So that tells me y plus 2 quantity squared over something minus x minus 3 quantity squared over something equals 1. So I found h and a k so far. Now I'm going to have to use this idea of the asymptotes to help me find this. The other thing I also know is that a is going to be the distance from the -2 to the 1, and we know that's 3 units. And so it's going to be 3 squared there. Now I'm going to use the idea of the asymptote here. The idea that for my asymptote, the slope of this first line is going to be b over a. Sorry, the slope is going to be a over b. So the slope, which is 2, is equal to a3 over the b we don't know. Solve for b, turns out to be 3/2. And so I put 3/2 quantity squared there, and there's the standard form of the equation. I want you guys to go ahead and try number 45. Number 45 says vertices 1, 2, 3, 2, y equals x, y equals 4 minus x for the asymptotes. Press pause, see if you can figure it out. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and sketch a little graph here. 1, 2 is about there, 3, 2 is about there, so it tells me it opens like this, which means it's going to be x minus h squared over a squared minus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. To find the center, we go halfway between those 2 points, so it's going to be 1 plus 3 is 4 divided by 2, so it's going to be 2, 2. So x minus 2 quantity squared minus y minus 2 quantity squared equals 1. To find the A is the distance between the center and there, so distance between 2 and 1, so a is 1. 1 squared, which is just going to be 1, as you know. To find b, I know I have the formula m equals a over b. Slope here is 1. Sorry. The slope is 1. A is also 1 over b, so it turns out b is 1. So 1 goes there. 1 squared is just 1. So there's your answer on number 45.